the jungle curry. You can tell this is going to be absolute fire. Yeah, they're going to get started cooking the jungle food. You can already smell the spices and all the herbs. So we're getting jungle curry this time with frog. Frog. So here are the ingredients going in for the jungle curry. So it's actually not the hairy fruit eggplant, but it's actually a yellow eggplant. Just in a handful of green peppercorns and red chilies also that are going to go into the jungle curry. Okay, this jungle curry is beginning. You can trust them in the kitchen, just from the look of the kitchen, the expertise on their faces. You can trust them with your jungle food needs. Oh man, it's vibrant. You actually smell the chili fumes just coming off of the food. You can tell this is going to be absolute fire. The frog is in there all chopped up, an entire frog. We got an entire frog. There's so much green pepper in here. There's so much basil, so much curry paste, the different eggplants. Wow. And if you stir to the bottom, look how thick and rich it is. Just full of that curry paste and finger root and chilies. Oh, wow. Okay. Now that is a jungle curry. Oh man, that's just totally in your face. You taste all of those herbs in there. I had a bunch of holy basil on that bite. That just, as soon as you take your first bite, the immediate warmth of your mouth. That comes both from the chilies as well as the green pepper. That flavor is literally spicy, volcanic mixture of wild ingredients and herbs and eggplants. That is the taste of Kanchanaburi in a bowl. One. The frog is so meaty. Really tender too. Okay, here we go. This dish is the Padpet Mupa. So this is wild boar, sliced up, stir-fried with a bunch of curry paste. She puts in a handful of green peppercorns. Oh man, looks awesome too. Oh wow. You immediately feel the spice. All the different herbs in there, the green pepper. And something I love about mupa, or wild boar, are the contrast of different textures. Because the meat has a little bit of a chew to it, but then you've got the soft fat and the crunch of the skin all in one bite. And that's like, I mean, the reason you love to eat wild boar is all those different textures that are involved. Oh wow. Back to that jungle curry. It's exceptional. That is almost to the point of ridiculous flavor in one bowl. And I'm in love with it. Chase that with a piece of fried chicken. Some of those fried fish with some of the jungle curry. Jungle curry on top of them. Spice it up. I just want to drink the jungle curry. That's mainly what I want.